Okay, so today is part of the Kentucky Appalachian Week. We're going to make some blackberry jam. And the reason why I chose blackberry jam is growing up, we used to go and around the first week of July, it's usually when they came ripe, and we would actually go and pick some blackberries in the mountains, pick a lot of blackberries, and we would make jam out of them. My mom would fix them and make blackberry jam out of them. Now, by the time you watch this video, blackberries may be ripe enough, but at this point they're not. So I actually had to get the blackberries from Walmart. But like I said, by the time of this video, you may be able to go in the mountains, or you can use Walmart ones. I mean, they taste just fine too. So if you look here, what I have here, first off, you need to know the ingredients. I have 4 cups of blackberries. Now I use frozen ones, and I just let them thaw out. I also have 2 cups of sugar, and I also have some lemon juice. Okay, so I'm going to actually put all this into a large bowl and use a spoon to kind of smash it all together. So I'm going to put the 4 cups of blackberries in here. I'm going to cut the 2 cups of sugar, and then you also need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And here's my 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Doesn't take a whole lot of lemon juice to go a long way. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically just going to, like I said, kind of smash it up, and that's why I had to let my frozen blackberries thaw out a little bit, because you can't do this if they're frozen. So all I'm doing is just kind of mashing it up. Okay, so after you get the blackberries, the sugar, and the lemon juice kind of smashed up, it should look something. I'll go ahead and zoom down, something like that. And what you'll need to do is transfer it to a medium or a large saucepan, one about 2 to 3 quarts. And just kind of rake it out. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to heat it until it's boiling. So heat it on medium heat until it's boiling. Okay, I've been cooking for about 10 minutes on medium heat, and now the jam is starting to boil. So what I'm going to do now is cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally while it thickens. Now sometimes you'll have this foam that actually rise to the top. When it does, you can just kind of spoon it off and put it on a plate or whatever. Just be careful doing that. But I'm going to cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes until it gets thicker. Okay, so I've been cooking on this for about 15-20 minutes. It starts getting thicker. You'll be able to tell that. And after it gets thick enough, what you'll need to do is transfer it to some kind of container, glass container, preferably. And what I'm going to be using is simply a mason jar, which is a really good thing to use on these. Okay, so you transfer it to a glass container, and that's what I've just done. You got to let it cool completely, and then put the lid it's on it, and then seal it, and then you'll have jam there to eat. Okay, best to put it in the refrigerator and let it get cold, but that's jam. So hopefully you enjoyed my video about making homemade blackberry jam. Hope everybody has a good week. Thank you. Bye.